Hi guys, welcome to my trades today. And today I have got three juicy trades for you: the EURCAD, the Usdjpy, and the EURJPY. So first things first, what are we looking for? We're looking for divergence, or we're looking to catch the trade in the trend, right? So this was a beautiful trade on EURCAD. I did not jump into this one, but we'll get into that. So EURCAD today, nice divergence point here. Why so? They open negative. We know we're looking for a sell already, right? And then we get to this point. This is a 15-minute chart. As you can see, price came back there, but then what is market sentiment saying? Market sentiment is going low, 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 low. So we get to this point. This was a nice sell point from here to there. So the good thing about this trade is if we had caught it straight from the divergence, we would have made 100 pips by now already. As you can see, it did not even give us a chance for a proper pullback to catch it in the trend. It just went down from divergence straight to 100 pips down. So like I always say, once you get in line with these trades, is they're likely to move in the money as soon as possible, right? We're dealing with the market makers, we're playing with the market makers as well. We're just following whatever they're doing, right? So this was a nice divergence trade. And then coming next up, we have our USDJPY. So this was a beautiful trend trade here, right? So we can see here it already diverged here and there yesterday and on Monday, right? Monday, Tuesday, today is Wednesday here. So we know that, okay, we did not catch the divergence there. It was not really a good sign, but then the trade flipped and the day opened negative, and then now we're looking for a sell opportunity. So this was a nice sell opportunity right over there where I got it there, and it went as low as 50, let's say 55 pips, and for now it's playing on 33 pips. So I'm still hoping, or I'm still expecting price to go lower. As you can see, market sentiment is still negative, so I'm still expecting price to go lower than it is today and up until tomorrow today. So this might likely be a swing trade, right? So that's what's up. This was a nice trend trade. Day open negative, we're going down with it. It already came from divergence, and remember what I always say, either we're catching a diverging trade or we're catching a trending trade. And most of the times, most juicy trending trades come from a divergence point, but it's not always, right? So this was a nice trade, and this is the yen. If you remember, we caught it a few days ago again, and we keep on catching them. So the yen keeps on giving. And our next up, we've got a EURJPY. So EURJPY, this was a nice divergence trade as well. Day open negative. As the day open negative, I'm just looking for a proper entry, right? I was looking for a proper entry, and then I did not catch it there. And then somewhat when it came back around this area here, this is where I got this trade. I had proper confirmation that it tried once, it failed, tried second, it failed, and then it's still hitting lower than the day open, right? So I'm sure, I'm positive that, okay, this is going to be a negative day. So market sentiment is negative, it's going down, and then from there up until it went as low as 42 pips. Right now it's playing on 28 pips, let's just say 25 pips. So we've got a 25 pips here and the 30 pips on the USDJPY already. That's a 50, right? So we're still expecting this to go lower than now, and then we'll come back later on with an update on how they went exactly. So every day, all the time, it's just the same thing over and over and over again. The market structure has to make sense, otherwise it won't even make any sense. So here's the USDJPY, here's the EURJPY. Painless trades, as soon as you get in, they shift quickly into the money, right? That's what we're looking for, that's what we want. Move your stop loss. As you can see here, I moved my stop loss to break even. Okay, not really break even, just below my entry point, and then because I'm expecting a swing, so I wanted to go further and further. So if I had to move it a little bit deeper, price might come back and play through and then still go down. So I don't want to be stopped out and end up getting 10 pips, 5 pips or whatever, because I'm expecting this thing to go lower and lower. Same applies with the EURJPY. Stop loss here on a tight. I'm expecting 50 pips on this trade. Price has to go all the way to this last level for the day, which is a 55 pip, and then I'll be looking to close this trade. So remember, we take 100 pips, we take 50 pips, and then we leave the trade, right? Tomorrow is another day, so we keep on doing the same thing over and over and over again. So as I said, I'll be back on with the next video, with the next update. The USDZ never came through, as I said on the last trade. Instead, the USDJPY came through. So that's what's up. We'll keep on showing you more of this, same process all the time, and then I'll be back later on, maybe on Friday or tomorrow if we manage to catch anything else. So for now, I'll leave you with this, and thank you for watching.